Hey, it's Sid from Spotahome.com. I'm in Via Angelo Broferio, very close to Piazza Mazzini in Prati. I will show you this nice flat with 3 bedrooms available as an entire apartment or room by room. Okay, so Via Angelo Broferio is in Prati, residential area with nice and luxury buildings, and we are on the ground floor. This is the entrance, and this is the first long hallway. There is eating here. Eating is central. Nice bookshelf here. Nice furnitures everywhere. And this is another part of the hallway with nice furnitures, bookshelves. Oh, this is from the maybe 20s. And this is the living room. There is a mixed style with old things and new things. So, nice table for a dinner with friends. Sofa and couch. Oh, very comfy. Perfect for a movie. And nice and big window with double glass, no noise inside. And what is this? Like a bar, but made from an old electric box. And there is also heating and air conditioning with hot and cold air. This is the kitchen. With table for 3 or 4 people. Nice and big fridge with freezer. Oh, sorry. Hot water by electricity. And washing machine. There is also a microwave. Kitchen is equipped. And oven and gas kitchen. This window looks in the internal courtyard. Okay. This is the first bedroom. Nice colors everywhere with heating, double bed, nice wardrobe here. There's enough space. There is a rack for your clothes. Nice window. Nice street view. And air conditioning and heating also in this bedroom. This is the first bathroom. 2 lavabos. All is new, completely new, with heating and small space for your stuff. And then the second bedroom this time with 2 single beds, more than single. Nice and huge closet. Always double glass. The window. Heating and air conditioning. Towels and bed linen are included. This is the 3rd bedroom with a new wardrobe here and some classical furnitures like the bed, this one. Oh, I like that. It's comfy too. And this is the private bathroom of the 3rd bedroom with nice shower and a small, not so small, window. All the bills are included and you can rent all the flats or room by room. There is also internet connection included. This is Sid from Spotahome.com. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Bye bye.